Hey everyone, Arcade recently sent this kind of mail, Arcade Insider mail, and what is the purpose this mail? I will explain in this video. So before starting today's video, please like and share, and if you are new, please subscribe. And you know what is Arcade, and if you are first, then I will shortly explain you. Arcade is an event which is organized by Google Cloud, and after participating in this arcade competition you can earn free swag from Google. Just you have some basic level from beginner to expert level cloud Google Cloud labs you have to solve, and just after solving this lab you will get a point, and by that point you can redeem your swag. Now this mail has an Arcade Insider, and in this mail you can see they have show that you can get up to 991 credits. You can get 91 credits after performing this trivia October. And so, how can you participate in this trivia October? Just copy this code and click on this copy code and enroll. Open in new tab, then wait for a second. Okay, now just copy this code and don't copy any space. And after copy this, just paste it and click on I am not robot. And now, okay, now click on submit. Okay, now sign in with your arcade account. Click on sign in, then sign in with your arcade account. And after sign in, just simply click on these credits and then wait for a second. And you can see 9 credits, 16 October. Then what you have to do, you just simply perform any of this lab. So just go back and perform any of this lab I have already completed. So in your case, it all are in not showing green tick. So in my case, I have performed all this lab. Just simply start any of this lab, and then fill the quiz and just simply which is okay, I think it will look okay, and then this will be this one, and fill all of this. Then this one. Okay, now just wait for 3 to 5 minutes in this lab, and then you can show you will get 91 credits. Okay, so after performing this lab it will show. So wait for 3 to 5 minutes in this lab, and after waiting 3 to 5 minutes just simply go to subscription and credits this page, and then just refresh your page. Okay, before that we have to end this lab. So end this lab, and now this page refresh, and you can see we got 91 credits. So in this way you can claim your 91 credits, and you have to claim these credits before 25 October 2024, and after 25 October you can claim this code. So make sure, and it is one time claim. If you face any kind of error you can't get this credit, so don't make any mistake. Today's video is for that. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next videos. Till then, tata, bye bye.